Guys, it's raining. I'm going to get some food, some authentic Dominican food. Once again, I'm freaking late though, because they close at 5. They close at 5, and yeah, it's 4:30. So we're gonna see if we can make it. You know, I already came here before. If y'all seen the videos, I already came here already. You see the Scotia Bank right there, and then the Claro Bank. You know what I mean? It's like a little store y'all can check out too if y'all want. But yeah, man, Claro, Scotia, you know, all that good stuff, salons. You got a girl you want to trick a little bit of money on, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's raining. The cuties ain't really out too much. They're avoiding the rain, the lluvia. Ay, the lluvia. No bueno. Que lo que canto. Shout out to Complex Fighter. I love it when he say that. He's probably the most hated, underrated YouTuber, but shout out to him. Yeah. So we out here. This ain't gonna be a long video. Get okay. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times, guys, when I film, like the lady I talked to, I would have filmed her, but she had her kid. I'm kind of skeptical on filming kids, unless it just happens, because, you know what I mean, it's just out of respect for people. You show respect, country, you good to go. You know what I mean? Good to go. Just trying to get my bearings. But yeah, guys, it's crazy out here in these streets of Santiago. And then they got the ropas out here. You can get the ropas for cheapy. Hola, que lo que? You know what I mean? Up here, you guys can get ice cream. It's good for ice cream. Electronics, if y'all need some more iPhones, tablets, whatever the hell y'all need. You know, not landscaping, laptops. You know I'm hungry. I'm talking crazy. They got the Pizza Hut here. They got the KFC. I was about to say Mickey D's. I'm not messing with that, bros. I'm trying to mess with the Dominican food. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all what it's like around. You know, the chicas, they got their own stuff going. Oh man, I see a grande culo. Oh my God. Sorry. A grande culo over across the street. Something that I can meet. Oh my goodness. Mucha lluvia. See, guys, so yeah, we out here. Y'all walking on the streets. Hey, Whistling Dixie. A hotel right here for if you guys want to check that out. Lenses for everybody want to do it. Lenses, oh yeah. Que lo que? Mira, tú muy bonita. Necesito tu cara. Hey, no. Oh, okay, it's like that. Tú muy bonita. Okay. Your promotion. So necesitas muy clientes, muchos clientes. Promotion para ti, ¿ah? Mira, promotion. Sí. ¿Tú sabes? ¿Te gusta? Mira. ¿Te gusta? ¿Por qué? Promotion. Necesitas clientes, no personas aquí. Oh, lo siento. Necesitas clientes, necesito mucho dinero para mi amiga. Tú, mi amiga, necesitas dinero, ¿eh? Muchos clientes. Tú sabes, que lo que. I was basically telling them guys, I was like, yo, she's like, I don't want to be on camera. I'm like, yo, I'm promoting your business. The more money you come through, even if you work here, you're going to get more money, you know what I mean? So, it is what it is. The optical right here, that's good. But yeah, you know what I mean? Motos on deck. Cellular if you want cellular. ¿Qué lo que? Muy bien. Necesito clientes, ¿ah? Necesito clientes. Promotion para ti, ¿ah? Promotion. Me gustan los zapatos. Mija, los zapatos muy bonita, muy bonita. Hey, mira, mira. Zapatos muy bonita, como tú, bonita. Que lo que. Yeah, guys, we out here in these streets. Y'all didn't think I could do it, but effort, I done it. 2025, I'm asking what YouTuber wanted. Hey, guys, we're gonna call it a day. Well, call it a video, a vlog. About 5 minutes in, you know how I get it in, how I fit in. You know what I mean? Motor Conchos on deck. Hit that like, subscribe, share, comment. Your favorite YouTuber. Back like he never left. Share, just a hater. Know that Milano's greater. Holla.